Hi, and welcome to this helpful tutorial. If you're concerned about websites accessing your payment methods while using the Ecosia browser on your Android device, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you step by step on how to disable payment method access in Ecosia to enhance your online privacy and safety. Open the Ecosia browser on your Android device. Tap the three dots icon in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, tap on Settings. Next, scroll down and tap on Privacy. In the Privacy section, look for Access Payment Methods. Finally, toggle the switch off to disable site access to your payment methods. By doing this, you're preventing websites from requesting or viewing any saved payment data through the browser. That's all it takes to protect your payment information in the Ecosia browser. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, comment your thoughts, and subscribe for more helpful tips.